Hello everyone, my name is Atena and thank you for joining me for today's very important lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to continue our way from the previous videos where we learned the 9 advanced verbs. If you missed the previous part, don't worry, the links to them are in the description below. Let's continue with part number 5. The police think these two teenagers broke into this house. Break in or break into is a great phrasal verb. It means to enter a place illegally, forcefully. The police decided to interrogate the teenagers separately. The teenagers gave different answers which didn't match at all. The teenagers contradicted each other. Contradict. When two things contradict, they don't match. There is a problem. Lily's story seems to contradict what she said yesterday. They don't match. I feel like there is a problem. Benny's action often contradicts his words. His action and his words are not the same. They contradict each other. I find it difficult to trust him. And when we speak about contradicting someone, it's often in a conversation where person A will say something and person B says actually no. Number 2. A cold shower in the morning always gives me energy and makes me feel healthier and stronger. Well, this sentence is perfectly correct, but let's make it more concise and use some advanced vocabulary. A cold shower always invigorates me. Invigorate. And in this lesson, you can see the word stress above the verbs. So we say invigorate. We don't say invigorate. When something invigorates you, it gives you energy. It makes you feel healthier, stronger. And we're thinking about activities what can invigorate you. A cold shower, going to walk, dancing, watching a comedy. Why do you enjoy rock climbing so much? Well, after a long day at work, I need something that invigorates me. Number 3. My husband lost his job 2 months ago. He's been unhappy and doesn't want to do anything. He's been moping. Mope. When a person mopes, they're unhappy. They have no motivation to do anything. Usually they just stay at home. After John received a low grade on his exam, he spent the weekend moping in his bedroom. You can mop all you want, but you still need to help me with the housework. Number 4. Jessica has been accepted into 3 universities. She can't decide which university to choose. She's been seriously thinking about which university to choose for a long time. She's been contemplating. Contemplate. When a person contemplates, they need to make a decision. They seriously think about it for a long time. During the COVID pandemic, John contemplated closing his business. You can see contemplate plus gerund, verb ing. I use the gerund form a lot in this lesson. If you want more information on gerunds, I have a video on my channel. I link it down below for you. I suggest watching this too. Contemplate plus gerund is really common, but not always. How long have you been contemplating a career change? Number 5. I need to finish my work, but I've been doing other unimportant things because I don't feel like working. I've been procrastinating. Procrastinate. Procrastinate. When we procrastinate, we should be doing something, but we do other things to distract ourselves because we don't want to do this one thing. Stop procrastinating and study for your exam. Number 6. Do I need to put this chocolate syrup in the refrigerator? Or can I just put it in the cupboard? Do I need to refrigerate the chocolate syrup? Refrigerate. Refrigerate. When we refrigerate something, we put or keep something in the refrigerator. Often we just say fridge for short. So you can refrigerate something in a fridge. Or you can, let's do number 7 now. Let's cheat a little bit. You can freeze something in a freezer. Freeze. Freeze. You can refrigerate the pizza or freeze it. Fruit doesn't need to be refrigerated, but I like to keep my strawberries cold. Number 8. Look at my basement. It's full of junk. I collected a lot of stuff little by little over the years. I've accumulated a lot of stuff. Accumulate. Accumulate. We can accumulate wealth, money, knowledge, things, stuff. This means we collect things little by little over time. Through wise investments, Ashley accumulated significant wealth. Imagine becoming wealthy over 20 years. Yes, dust and spider webs have accumulated on a lot of my old books. Number 9. My secretary didn't notice the mistakes in her email. She spelled the T. She got the date wrong. My secretary overlooked the mistakes. Overlook. Overlook. When we overlook something, we don't notice it. Maybe this is because we are not paying attention by accident, or maybe we're just being lazy. And we can overlook things like mistakes, a person's skill or talent. We don't notice it. Maybe a detective can overlook evidence. It's important not to overlook the potential of a new employee just because they don't have any experience. It's easy to overlook mistakes on a long document. Number 10. Someone damaged this car by spraying graffiti on it and breaking the windows. Someone vandalized this car. Vandalize. Vandalize. When a person vandalizes something, they destroy it by smashing the windows, spraying graffiti, throwing trash everywhere, breaking things. Our community came together to clean up the neighborhood after a group of individuals vandalized cars and storefronts. Number 11. I accidentally knocked over the vase and it broke into thousands of little pieces. It shattered, shattered, shattered. When glass, porcelain, ice, anything hard shatters, it breaks into hundreds, thousands of little pieces. Physical things can shatter, but also more abstract things like a person's dreams, their goals, confidence, lives. Those are all things that can shatter. The failure of Willow's first business shattered her dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur. Part 5 completed. Thank you for watching this lesson, and in the upcoming video, Part 6, you will be able to experience the rest of the incredible teachings. Please subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I wish you luck with your English studies. Bye!